Welcome back into the shop today. We are going to work on James, the 94 cab over, specifically this mirror mount for the other side. So let's go ahead and get to it. John Deere 420. It doesn't look like a John Deere. That's right. Good. Well, this is what we need to make this into. I think we should be able to do it. Let's go to the press. Well, it would have worked if I'd have done the right damn thing. All right, go back to the start. looks a little better. All right, looking good. I got the mirror mount. This mirror mount on the other side is fixed. This is the new one that I made, but I put the one that was here, I put over here. But yeah, it's looking good now. All right, well, thanks for checking out another video on the progress of James, my 94 cab over Optimus Prime replica. And if you want to see some more, go up here. And if you want to see some really nice trucks at a truck show, click on this over here. And if you would please hit that one and subscribe, I greatly appreciate it. Like, comment, and thanks for joining me on another progress episode of James, my 94 cab over Optimus Prime replica.